Hello and welcome to the Holland Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new user account and how to access your courses. First, you will receive an email with instructions on how to access the website. This email will contain a link and an enrollment key. When you click on the link in the email, you'll be brought to the Holland Academy homepage. If you have been here before, you can log in using your username and password. However, if it is your first time here, you will need to go and create a new account. When you create a new account, you will be asked for a username. Your username must be lowercase letters. You'll then be asked to create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters, at least 1 digit, 1 lowercase, and 1 uppercase letter, along with 1 alphanumeric character. Next, you'll be asked to provide an email address. Enter in your email address. And you'll be asked to enter it again for confirmation. You'll then be asked to enter in your first name and your last name. You have the option to enter in a city or town and a country if you wish. Once you have filled out this form, you should click on Create New Account. Next, you will receive a confirmation email. You will need to authenticate your account. You can follow the link in the email and this will log you into the website. In most cases, you will be logged in automatically when you follow that link. However, you may be asked to re-enter your username and password. When you log in, you will end up on the dashboard page. If you scroll down the dashboard page, you will see enrollment code. This is where you're going to enter in your enrollment key. When you enter in your enrollment key, you will click Enroll. When you enroll, it will bring you directly into your course. Before you begin your course, if you have a pre-course study pack, you should be familiar with the content of this study pack before you go any further with the course. When you're ready to begin your course, you will be able to scroll down this page. You will see the announcements forum where you can find all the latest announcements in relation to this course. Should you have any questions, you can ask within the announcements forum. You'll begin with learning outcome number 1, and you'll be able to click on the course activities. Some activities will be locked until the previous activities have been completed. To get started, click on your first lesson. You will enter the lesson and enjoy your course.
Hello and welcome to the Holland Safety e-Learning Academy. This is your first aid responder course.